Friday, May 3rd will be the last day Temple students will be able to access the Independence Blue Cross Recreation Center, also known as the IBC Gym, before renovations start this summer. Built 21 years ago, the IBC will reopen in the fall semester, and the gym is expected to look a lot more up to date than it currently does.
So we'll have a bunch of new cardio equipment up on the second floor. We'll have a mixture of strength pieces downstairs on the first floor that it's going to keep kind of the similar vibe, but just brand new equipment, which is absolutely needed.
The IBC is even looking to do renovations on things such as lockers, like these.
The campus recreation office combined feedback from students, faculty, and staff to decide on the new design of IBC. However, not everyone is too excited about the summer closure. Nigella Webb, a junior criminal justice major, says she was depending on the IBC this summer because it was the closest gym to her apartment.
I love that it has 2 floors and a lot more equipment than Tuck. I don't really go there because I don't feel like it has enough opportunity for me, I guess.
Temple's repeated renovations have added a lot of construction to the institution, yet administrators like Anthony believe the investment in the accessibility and appearance will result in stronger students.
We're building up, we're giving students have a feeling of this is what I want to, this is what I strive to do. Like, I want to be part of something that's big and changing and ever growing. And
reporting for Temple Update, I'm Hadiyah Weaver.